All right, I've been getting a lot of questions about SmartRecruiter, so if you haven't checked out my other videos or my playlist, check those out. But I saw this new blog from Amanda about the new first half 2026 SmartRecruiters capabilities, and thought it had a lot of good stuff in there. And so the first one being the integration between SuccessFactors and SmartRecruiters. So now with single sign-on, you can navigate directly from the SuccessFactors instance and go into SmartRecruiters. And so now there's the native integration there as well. So that's pretty cool to see. This second one is interesting. SmartRecruiters Winston for SAP SuccessFactors launch. But when you actually look at this, this is saying, hey, we are making Winston, the AI chatbot, which I have another video for, available for SAP SuccessFactors recruiting customers. And so now that means that if you're using their existing recruiting solution, you can actually go ahead and have Winston AI capabilities into it, which I think is nice. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next one over here, auto self-scheduling. And so it looks like there's some stuff to be done here where you have to have pre-configured interview templates. Of course, your calendar availability has to be there, and then some automation rules as well. And so when that's the case, then Winston can actually help with the scheduling to avoid the whole back and forth where, hey, are you available this time or this time? And so that's a nice one. And then more AI capabilities with Winston, and this is Subscores. So this is specifically for recruiters, and it's going to give a kind of a further breakdown of candidates' skills, experience, and education, and kind of contributing to their match score that the AI is doing to your job description. So you can kind of see what that looks like. And so this is specifically intended for like high volume screening. It just makes it easier to kind of look and see who's a good match for things. Going down, so SmartRecruiters Winston for SuccessFactors. And so now you can search jobs via resume. And so I think that the idea behind this is you just drop your resume into Winston, and instead of having to go and search and match, Winston can say, hey, based upon your resume, these are the jobs that we think you would be best fit for. So I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, check out the other videos I've created on SmartRecruiters, and yeah, let me know what else you want to see. Thanks.